Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and they called me out here to a new customer and said that the whole store, the whole facility was hot, and they didn't understand why. So I came out here today, and unfortunately these things happen every once in a while, but there was some theft over here, and we'll take it one by one. That's that first unit. They stole all the copper that goes inside. This is the copper where the motors are at. Coils there. That's one. Here's the other one. They tore them all up. That's where the coil goes right here. The outside coil and the indoor coil, which is here. They stole that one as well. That's 2 units. Came over here. That's another one. That's the outside coil, inside coil. That's unit number 3. And this is the last one, unit number 4. That's the indoor coil here and the outdoor coil here. That's why their ACs are not working properly. They don't work at all. So we're gonna give these guys a bid, and they want to get it nice and sunny. So call up for all your AC, heat, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, we're gonna take care of these guys and show you the before and after. Okay, thanks guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.